I'll guide you through how to cancel your Spotify membership the easy way, without the problem of trying to do it from the app. If you're looking to save some money on your monthly subscriptions, or you've decided that another music streaming service is a better fit for you, and so you need to cancel your Spotify membership, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. First, and this is the most important step, you cannot cancel your membership through the Spotify app. You must use a web browser on your computer or mobile device. To begin, go to Spotify.com and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. On the Account Overview page, find the Your Plan section and click on the Change Plan button. You will then see an option to cancel your premium subscription by switching to the Spotify free plan. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. After you have canceled, your premium benefits will continue until your next billing date. Your playlists and saved music will not be deleted, and you can still listen with ads. Note that if you are billed through a third party, like your mobile provider, you must contact them to cancel your subscription. Now that you've learned how to cancel your Spotify membership, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more YouTube video tutorials. Thanks for watching.